Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a camera Obscura because I feel like it. So for supplies we're going to need cardboard, a ruler, pencil, masking tape, magnifying glass, tracing paper or parchment paper work for me, something to cut the cardboard with, and I think I said magnifying glass. By the way, do not ask me why my cardboard has bite marks in it. I have 2 cats that I live with and they eat everything. So yeah. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be cutting the sides of the box. We're going to be cutting 1 square that's 5 by 5 inches, 4 squares that are 5 by 12 inches, and 4 more squares that are 7 by 4.75 inches. Or if you have a lot of cardboard, you can cut your pieces to look like this. And please take your time with this part because I was trying to rush and I messed up a bunch of times. And also, you should always take your time when you're using knives and stuff. So after a lot of tracing and measuring and cutting, I finally have my 9 pieces. Here's Willow and Kiwi ruining my shot, as per usual. Moving on. Okay, so I have to be super duper honest. I kind of didn't film the rest of my construction of the box because I started watching You on Netflix and season 4 or whatever just came out and Joe is freaking insane and I just got kind of caught up in that, so I'll just be using images from this point on. Okay, we're back. Your cardboard pieces are going to turn into this. These are the 4 by 12s. These are the 5 by 12s. This is the 5 by 5 with the magnifying glass in it. And then inside here are the 7 by 4.75s. To tape it together, you're gonna tape the 5 by 12s together long ways. You can tape the short ones if you want. It doesn't really matter. And then you're gonna take the magnifying glass out of the magnifying. You're gonna take the lens out of the magnifying glass. And you're going to take it and put it on top of your square cardboard and trace a circle. You're going to trace a circle a little bit smaller than the lens actually is so that the cardboard can actually hold the lens without the lens falling out. It's not going to fall out. Then that's one piece. Then you're going to take the leftovers and take them long ways. And then you're going to cut a piece of parchment paper or tracing paper or whatever paper. I cut mine 7 by 7, I think. You're going to tape it down on one of the sides, just like how you tape down the cardboard. The smaller rectangular prism is supposed to fit snug inside of this. That's normal. It doesn't fall out. Alright, pause here if you need a better view of my diagram. Sorry that I didn't know what I was talking about. It's because I didn't know what I was talking about. But here are some pictures I took with the camera.